Ooh, yeah, that's good.
You liking your bath, Madeline?
Like bath time, yes, I like bath time. See, I sort of even like that, Mommy. I sort of even like that. Might have to put a little shampoo in the hair today, huh? Yeah, maybe. See, maybe I put a little bit of shampoo.
Okay.
Ooh, yeah. Make sure we get your face all nice and clean. Yes, nice clean face. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, you getting cold? You getting cold? Okay. Hey, silly girl. Let's wash your little butt, huh? Ooh. Hey, Mommy, you're tickling my butt. You are tickling my butt. Yeah, wash all your